la comparaison parallèle. La comparaison parallèle, so it's actually quite simple. It's a bit difficult to present, so I'll try to be as clear as possible, but normally when we'll cover the examples, you will understand that quite quickly. So basically, la comparaison parallèle, you would like to compare two things that are somehow going in the same direction, so basically more and more, plus et plus. Okay, or then it could be in the other direction, moins et moins, less and less, or then it could be in the same direction like that, autant, autant, as much as. Okay, the other possibility would be, of course, like that. Okay, and it's plus et moins, or then the last option would be moins et plus. Okay, so let's see exactly what I'm talking about right here. So the first example is plus et plus. Okay, so you can see that I don't pronounce it final S. Plus je travaille, plus je suis fatigué. Okay, so keep in mind that you should start your sentence with plus here, then you should put this virgule right here, then continue with plus. And basically, what you want to say is, je travaille, I work, je suis fatigué, I am tired. So the more I work, the more I am tired. And it's quite useful, it's quite simple to make, because have a look, plus, structure, virgule, plus, and then you continue. And of course, if you want to say the same thing but in the other direction, so moins et moins, less and less, well, it will be exactly the same way to construct your sentence. Moins je dors, it's I sleep, so the less I sleep. Moins je suis en forme, I am in a good shape. Okay? Moins je dors, moins je suis en forme. Okay, so it's quite simple. Don't forget here la virgule to make the little separation between the two. And then the other one would be autant, autant. So remember, autant son travail est intéressant. Okay, so son travail, his job, est intéressant, is interesting. Autant ses collègues sont désagréables. Ses collègues, his colleagues, sont désagréables. Well, they're not so nice. And then in that case, well, clearly with this sentence, you want to compare two things. The first one, and you want to put them like, you want to compare the two things because they are somehow equally important. So, son travail est intéressant, so his job is interesting. And the second thing is, ses collègues sont désagréables. So the structure will be exactly the same. You start with autant. Remember to put here la virgule, and you continue with autant and the structure. Okay? Autant son travail est intéressant, autant ses collègues sont désagréables. So now we'll see what it or how it will go if we've got plus and then moins. Because basically it will change a little bit. In that case, have a look. So we start with plus. Okay, so plus je me couche tard. Okay, so coucher it's to go to bed, and then tard it's late. Okay, so plus je me couche tard. And now you can see that we don't put la virgule, but we put et. Okay, and et here. Okay, so plus je me couche tard et, and then you will continue with your moins. Moins, je me lève tôt, okay? Se lever is to wake up tôt, early. Plus je me couche tard, et moins je me lève tôt. Okay? And basically in the same way, we will construct the structure with moins et plus. Like that, you start with moins. So, moins je mange. Okay, so basically, je mange, it's to eat. Moins je mange, et plus j'ai faim. J'ai faim, avoir faim, it's to be hungry, so plus j'ai faim. Moins je mange, et, remember you should put this et, and then continue, plus j'ai faim.